Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai here, showing you another great pre-owned vehicle. Hyundai Tucson 2016 1.6 liter turbo premium all-wheel drive package. Local trade, we sold this vehicle pre-owned to a client. Happy to have it back in on trade. Do a quick walk around the outside and I'll show you some of the interior features. This one's extremely sporty, finished in a gorgeous white paint color. It's a 1.6 turbo all-wheel drive. If you don't believe me, 1.6 turbo all-wheel drive. You got dual exhaust tips down there. Got a really sporty wheel. Check out the tires. This was just traded in. Those tires cannot get any more new than that. Brand new tires on it. It's in great shape. So we like to do these walk-arounds, be completely transparent. Turn signal indicators on the mirrors, fog lights. Car's in really nice shape. So you can see no major scratches, dents, or dings. So we like to do these videos, be completely transparent. Show you the hood, the roof. No dents from a snow brush or anything like that. Show you the trunk real quick. So good sized trunk. You get the WeatherTech mat here. Protects the carpets, that's very nice. You got split folding rear seats. Privacy cover here. This all can be removed. This cover, this can be removed. 60/40 split folding seats. You also have anchors on all the seats. So if you have up to 3 child seats in some capacity, you have the ability to have up to 3 child seats back here. So again, lots of nice features. You even have these rails, so you can put some rails across. If you have a bike carrier or kayak carrier, you have the ability to do that as well. Heated seats in the rear. Nice cloth seat. The middle folds down. Get some cup holders there. You got some rear vents. As you can see, just came out of the detail shop. Carpets are in nice shape. Everything's in really nice shape. 2-stage heated seats on both outside passenger seats. So we move our way into the front, the meat and potatoes. So some of the features you'd expect to find: power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You have locking rear window as well for the kiddos, keep them safe. You got a power driver's seat with lumbar support. Nice feature. Lane departure warning. You can adjust your interior illumination. You can shut your traction control off. There's some nice safety features there. So you know, adjustable steering wheel and adjustable seat. So those are nice features for the driver. I'm gonna turn it on really quick. So let's see what else you got in this vehicle. You got, whoop, turn that down really quick. You got all your volume controls right here. Bluetooth hands-free calling. You got all your cruise controls on the right-hand side of this gorgeous leather-wrapped steering wheel. So all your cruise controls right here. You also have the ability to toggle through, set some of the settings to your personal preferences. So again, some nice features. You got drive mode. You can drive in eco, normal, or sport. And it's all driver preference. We encourage people to try them, see what works best for you. You have downhill brake assist control. You have 4-wheel drive lock for one of those really cold, snowy winter days that we hope to not see for a long time. You got all your inputs, auxiliaries down there, some cup holders. You got dual zone climate control. You've got heated seats, 3-stage on each side. My favorite accessory in the vehicle, or feature in the vehicle, heated steering wheel. I don't care what temperature is outside, I love the heated steering wheel. So again, some nice comfort features right there. You got a nice big, good sized touchscreen, backup camera, AM, FM, XM, so you have the ability to add XM radio if you have an account, or you can create an account. So some nice features there. So again, cool things, lots of cool standard features. Cloth's all in nice shape. Dash is in nice shape. No cuts or rips or tears, nothing like that. Again, local trade, new tires, lots of features, all-wheel drive. Don't miss out. Only 123,000 kilometers on this gorgeous Hyundai Tucson. So I want to thank everyone today for joining me in the virtual showroom. And as always, you can call, text, or email us if you have any questions. And you can always shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.